Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change strap on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, and to change the strap, first of all you need to unlock your strap first, and then you will see here is the button, and now just press a little bit on the right on this location, a little bit pressure on here, and you can see now it's coming out, and you will find out the location that you can press it, and now it's take out. And if you have another strap, you can change it. Okay, for example, if this is the new strap, and insert it from the back of the strap, just input it, and now you are ready to use with the new color of your strap. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change the strap on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.